Hello, my name is Simran Dhingra and today I'm going to talk about ATC, Air Traffic Control. So first of all, I'm going to give a little introduction about it. So ATC is a service provided by ground-based air traffic controllers who direct aircraft on the ground and through controlled airspace and can provide advisory services to aircraft in non-controlled airspace. The primary purpose of ATC worldwide worldwide is to prevent collisions, organize and expedite the flow of air traffic, and provide information and other support for pilots. In some countries, ATC plays a security or defensive role or is operated by the military. Air traffic controllers monitor the location of aircraft in their assigned airspace by radar and communicate with the pilots by radio. To prevent collisions, ATC enforces traffic separation rules which ensure each aircraft maintains a minimum amount of empty space around it all the times. In many countries, ATC provides service to all private, military, and commercial aircraft operating within its airspace. Depending on the type of flight and the class of airspace, ATC may issue instructions that pilots are required to obey, or advisories that pilot may, at their discretion and disregard. The pilot in command is the final authority for the safe operation of the aircraft and may, in an emergency, deviate from ATC instructions to extent required to maintain safety operation of their aircraft. What are the problems faced by global air traffic management? So, with the rise in the airline industry and construction of new airports and runways, air traffic has increased dramatically in the past few years. It has put additional pressure on air traffic control system that handles thousands of flights per day. To avoid delays and collisions, air traffic management has to work efficiently. Many problems and challenges are faced by them. It is why aviation industry is taking help of human-centered solution to achieve their real operational impact. Air traffic controllers constantly need to instantly listen to every single word said by pilots and other controllers. They need to be aware that what is going on in their space as well as other sectors around them. If a problem arises, they need to act on it at the very moment. So as quickly as possible. It puts a lot of pressure on air traffic controllers. Another biggest issue for a controller is the weather. It adversely affects the work and function of air traffic control staffs. The more it is complex, the more workload is laden on them. A bad weather means a bad day for them. Often simple things may turn complicated when there are too many persons are speaking on one frequently at a time. Each frequency can support only one person talking at a time, means either pilot or controller. A controller needs to master the flow of communication on that frequency. If an air traffic control is managing 50,000 flights daily, they have to handle many flights at the same time. It means checking the altitude so that they don't collide against. Plus, multiple flights pass in the same route, and during such situation, if a flight face problem, they need to give special attention. However, the bigger problems occur when a passenger aircraft goes missing the radar range, or or the radar of the air traffic control goes down. Aircraft noise and its impact on local communities is also a major problem that needs attention. In the upcoming years, with the rise in aircraft numbers, the issue is only going to trigger. It needs to make a balance between the needs of a country and managing the impact on local communities who are living close to airports. Aircraft con- Aircraft control system needs to be incredibly managed and well prepared to make the propulsion of aircraft safe.